From the 24th to the 31st of August, Sardinia is the star of the Italian Pavilion in Shanghai. Its exhibition is titled The Best Quality of Life as an Elixir for Longevity. Sardinia is presenting typical carnival costumes, folklore dances and culinary dishes to the public. A little world waiting to be discovered. A new treasure in the fascinating mosaic of culture that is Italy. Among the organised events is a fashion show featuring the elegance of Sardinian tailoring. Curves, transparent materials, suits with knee-length skirts, and beautiful floor-length gowns swaying with every step. Precious fabrics, delicacy and charm for an evening made in Italy.